In this Primavera training 03, we will learn how to create a WBS in Primavera P6 Professional software. Here are the list of contents: what is a WBS, best practice example, how to create a WBS in P6, how to modify the WBS elements. What is a WBS? A work breakdown structure is a key or project deliverable that organizes the teamwork into manageable sections. In simple words, WBS is a division of work into smaller parts so that it can be done efficiently and effectively. Here is an example of simple work breakdown structure. For example, project is subdivided into multiple tasks. For example, task 1 is further subdivided into 1.1, and that is again divided into 1.1.1, 1.1.2, and similarly 1.1.3. Here is another example of WBS. For example, construction of a house is subdivided into the WBS internal, foundation, external, and the further WBS is divided into electrical and plumbing work. Foundation is divided into execute and steel erection works, etc. And in each WBS there are activities. These WBS is made to simplify the work of a project. Here is another example of WBS. For example, here is a renovation of residential building. Exterior renovation, interior renovation, that is the WBS level 1. Now we are further breaking down this WBS level into more smaller parts: landscaping and painting, and flooring and interior decorator, that is coming in the interior renovation. Now in the WBS there are activities. For example, what activities we will done in the landscaping level: the land, lay floor tiles, artificial grass. Painting, finish exterior wall, paint the wall. So similarly we will create all the activities in the WBS levels. Now we will create a WBS in Primavera P6 Professional. So here is example. We will create the for residential building. The WBS contents are site work, substructure work, superstructure work, slab work, finishing. Now we will also subdivide this WBS level finishing into interior finishing and exterior finishing. Here is the same screen where we have left in the last video. So here is a project we have created in the last video: train our residential building project for training. So now I am basically create the WBS, go into the project. There is a WBS work breakdown structure. Click here. Now here you will create the WBS which you have decided to create. Here I will create WBS. For example, here is the WBS level 1. Here is WBS code, WBS name, and how many activities will come under this WBS level. So I will create first of all 5 WBS. 1 2 3 4 5. Then I will arrange. Here are 5 WBS. Now I am changing the name: site work, substructure, superstructure, slab work, finishing. Now I will create WBS which are coming into under the finishing, interior finishing and exterior finishing. Here is WBS level 1, here is WBS level 2. Now we can see there are 2 WBS levels which are coming under finishing. So I am changing the name. interior nation, exterior nation. Okay, so you can also modify at any time WBS and names. So codes are unique. You cannot assign the same code to any other WBS level. So now we have created successfully the WBS. So you can change up and down as you like, and you can modify at any time. So how to create the activities in the WBS, and that we will learn in the next video. Thank you.